Hi guys, welcome back to Super Mommy London's channel. I'm London. 大家好，欢迎又回到超人妈妈 London 的频道，我是 London。Some of my friends already knew that I'm recently trying to eat healthier and get rid of some pandemic weight. So today I want to share with you some of my salad recipes. If you want to eat cleaner and healthier with me, try these 3 easy, time-saving, delicious, and refreshing recipes. I guarantee you'll like it. Remember to like, subscribe, and share with your loved ones. That'll be appreciated. Let's get healthier together. I just can't wait to eat the salad. Every time I prepare it, there's full of fruity taste and the nuts give it so much nutty flavor. The ham hearts, olives bring more nutrition and healthy fat to the salad. Usually I would add half of avocado into my salad. I ran out of them this time. If you like avocado, add it in. The beets will give you so much energy throughout the day. I especially like the apple cider vinegar. I won't list all the benefits of apple cider vinegar. I'll leave this to you to look into it. If you get some new discovery on apple cider vinegar, leave a comment down below at the comment area. But if you don't like the sour taste, you can reduce the apple cider vinegar to 1 teaspoon instead of 1 tablespoon. Okay, I hope you like this video and remember to share it with your loved ones and like, subscribe, it's free. I'll see you next week. Bye. 希望你们喜欢这期视频，请记得分享给你们爱的人，记得点赞订阅，是免费的哦。下周见，拜拜。